What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ6's channel. So today I'm finna be showing you guys where the fuse boxes are located on your X300. Just in case something electrical stops working on your Jag, it could be something as simple as just a blown fuse. So let's get to it, you guys. It's windy today. On the X300, there are 5 separate fuse boxes fitted on the vehicle. Spare fuses and special tools are inside the engine compartment on the right hand side. My Jag doesn't have one. There's a fuse map diagram that shows you all the fuse box locations and the list of each fuse circuit. There are 2 fuse boxes located in the engine compartment, one on the left side and another one on the right side. There are 2 rear compartment fuse boxes located behind the right hand and the left hand side below the rear seats. The last fuse box is located in the trunk, also known as the luggage compartment. Alright, you guys, so now that you know where the fuse boxes are located on your X300, you're probably wondering, alright, so how do I check to see if the fuses are blown or not? Well, there's multiple ways to do that. The first one will be to purchase a fuse tester, which is this tool that you insert on top of the fuse, and it'll light up and let you know that the fuse is good. And if it doesn't light up, then the fuse needs to be replaced. But the thing about this tool is that sometimes there's certain areas where you can't insert it and check to see if the fuse is good or bad. So you will have to remove the fuse by pulling it with some pliers. And that'll be the second way to do this. Removing each individual fuse with some pliers and checking to see if the middle element is blown or not. The third way would be using a multimeter, but I have no idea on how to do that. I know you have to get a certain number or ratings stating that it means that the fuse is good or if it's bad, but I've never done it that way, but I'm pretty sure that you guys could do some research and look it up on YouTube. YouTube has everything. Maybe I should have looked it up so I could explain to you guys how it's done, and then you guys would have been like, oh man, Jesse knows everything, he's so damn bright. But I didn't. I messed up on that. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. There's something we do out here in the hood. You know, you leave your car in the street, and then your other car, you swap them. So when you come back, you have a parking spot for that car. I'm not gonna lie, I do the same thing for my Jag, for my brown Jag, for the XJ40. I have parking for the X300 downstairs in the garage, and when I move my XJ40, I use this Jag to save parking for it. Yeah, some people be double parking, which is hella annoying. Now, you know what's the most annoying is when somebody has a car and they just don't move it at all. For like, they just never move them, or they're not even fixing them. They just have it there. But yeah, let me cut through the next scene.